For large hole and box type components, you have two very different options. A boring machine specializes in deep, precise bores with exceptional rigidity. A machining center gives you milling, drilling, tapping, all in one setup. So, which one is right for your parts? Let's break it down. A boring machine is built for deep hole precision. Its key feature is the extended spindle, or quill, that reaches far into the workpiece without re-clamping. The W-axis allows the spindle to move axially, reaching difficult areas, perfect for multiple bore setups in large box-type parts. Built heavy and rigid, it resists deflection, giving you straightness, concentricity, and dimensional accuracy in big components like pump housings, gear casings, and engine blocks. A machining center brings multiple operations together, milling, drilling, tapping, and boring, on a single CNC platform. With automatic tool changers and multi-axis control, you can machine multiple faces of a complex box-type part in one setup. That means less handling, fewer errors, and higher efficiency for medium to high volume production. But there's a trade-off. For even very deep holes with tight tolerances, the spindle may lack the stiffness you get from a dedicated boring machine. Here's how they stack up. Design goal, boring machine, focuses on deep hole precision. Machining center focuses on multi-process versatility. Spindle. Boring machine has long reach quill and W-axis. Machining center uses standard tool changing spindles. Rigidity. Boring machine is built heavier, delivering exceptional stability. Machining center is rigid but optimized for speed and versatility. Automation. Boring machine is often manual or semi-automatic. Machining center is fully automatic with ATC. Best fit, boring machine for large, deep bores in single piece or small batches. Machining center for complex, multi-face parts in medium to high volume. Precision. Boring machines can achieve IT6 to IT7 tolerances. Machining centers typically IT7. So, which one do you choose? Choose a boring machine if your part is large and heavy. Think pump housings, gear casings, engine blocks. You need deep, aligned bores with high accuracy and rigidity, and you're working with single piece or small batch production. Choose a machining center if your part requires milling, drilling, tapping, and boring in one setup, especially for medium to high volume production where automation saves you time and labor. And many shops run both. Boring machine for the heavy deep hole work. Machining center for multi-surface finishing. A boring machine and a machining center serve different purposes. One delivers unmatched rigidity for deep, precise bores. The other offers flexibility and automation for complex multi-face parts. At WMTCNC, we build both and help you choose the right solution for your parts, your production volume, and your budget.